We are here at the 19th Annual Engineering Expo, and now we actually have the opportunity to talk with a graduate student and about what he's working on right now. So can you just introduce yourself and give us an overview of this project, please?
Of course. Do you want me to hold it or? Okay. My name's Robert Hoover. I'm a graduate student at the University of Idaho in chemical engineering. I'm at the Idaho Falls campus, so I'm working in close collaboration with the Idaho National Laboratory. My main research is on this pyroprocessing, so processing used nuclear fuel so that we can reuse it. I'm focusing on the zirconium in the fuel. There's zirconium that we need to collect, and so I've been doing some experiments at 500 degrees Celsius, really hot, molten temperatures, and doing some experiments in that to recover this zirconium from the used fuel.
So in a project like this, who have you gotten to work with? Obviously, you're working with your professors and with fellow students, but I imagine there's also a lot of industry involvement and outside that you get to work.
I've been lucky with this project and able to work with my advisors. My advisor's been amazing at school. I work with Idaho National Laboratory a lot. This project is done in collaboration with a group in South Korea, so I've gotten to work with them on a regular basis. We have monthly meetings over the internet, and I was able to actually travel over there and work with them for a while. So that was really great experience to see their setup, how they work, and learn from them and work with them. So that was great.
And you also did your undergraduate studies at the University of Idaho. So can you speak a bit towards your capstone experience and how that helped you to prepare for your graduate education?
Yeah, I did my undergrad here at University of Idaho in chemical engineering as well, and my capstone project was based on a biofuel project, and it was my first introduction to real research, and it was a wonderful experience of how to learn to do research and do experiments, write up your work, learn your project really well, and I think it prepared me very well for graduate research work, and it was a wonderful experience.
With a background like this and the education and the experiences you've had, what kind of future career opportunities are you considering and looking at?
There's a lot of areas I can go in. There's a good chance I'm looking into academia and becoming a professor myself. I've had such great experience with all my professors at University of Idaho. Kind of motivated me to do that. I really enjoy doing the research that academia allows you to do and do in university settings. So there's a good chance that's what I'll end up doing.
And with this project, where is this project going to go from here? How is it going to be used, do you foresee?
The project will be used to clean up and make nuclear power more cost effective. So we can recycle this fuel and reuse it so we don't have to mine more fuel out of the ground. And so this is a part of that, of making that more cost effective and being able to produce cheap power for the country.
All right, well, thank you so much for talking with us. What advice would you give for students who are considering University of Idaho an engineering education or perhaps grad school?
I've definitely considered it. I think University of Idaho has a very great engineering program, and I have learned a lot here, and we compete well with the largest universities all across the country and work with them and across the world, so it's been a great experience.
All right, well, thanks again for talking to us. It was great to have the opportunity to speak with a grad student who has had the capstone experience. And once again, we will carry on to some of the many really interesting projects we have here today. And thanks again.